Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to change your Google Business profile. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Once it's open, go to the right top corner and here you will see 9 dots. Click on it. After that, go below and here is the option of Business Profile Manager. Click on it. After that, select your account. Once it's open, here you will see a button of photos. Click on it. Go below and here is the option of change logo or change profile picture. Click on it. Then click on select photo. After that, select the photo. If you edit the photo, after that go to the right bottom and click on save. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your profile picture will be updated. That was the way how to change your Google Business profile photo. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.